Norse Paganism versus Christianity comparison. Holy Book. Founder. Founding date. Core belief. Satan figure. Primary symbol. Holy Day. Afterlife. Warriors. Afterlife. Others. Creation. Myth. End times. God's nature. Supreme deity. Savior. Figure. Sacrifice ritual. Prayer style. Clergy. Sacred tree. Angels, spirits. Demons. Original sin. Divine love. Moral code. Miracles. Prophecy. Sacred drink. Sacred animal. Evil serpent. Sacred number. Worship places. Pilgrimage. Conversion method. Judgment after death. Divine wrath. Human origin. Divine intervention. Fate versus free will. Sacred land. Resurrection belief. Sacred weapon. Sacred light. Their sacred feast. Sacred sound. Divine wisdom. If you are watching the first time then, don't forget to subscribe for more.